29-year-old Jerry McBride. On August 7, 2022, in Columbus, Ohio, police conducted a traffic stop of a vehicle that left a house used for contraband trade. The traffic stop led to the discovery of a firearm. An officer conducts a traffic stop on the vehicle. The officer asks for the driver's license and insurance documentation.
Yep. Over here racing away. How you doing, partner? Can you put in park for me?
Oh, I know this guy.
What's his name?
It's a cute Spain, isn't it?
No, that's not so cute. Do you have a driver's license? You know I pulled you over?
No.
Back to the stop sign, you got to stop before a stop sign also. If you're going to signal to turn north, you got to do 100 feet prior. But you didn't turn north, so. While we're talking to you, any weapons on you or in the car, anything I need to be concerned about?
No, sir.
And then insurance as well, if you don't mind grabbing that too.
Insurance is on the phone. Is that cool?
No, that's fine. Thank you. Go ahead and look that up for me real quick if you don't mind. I got it.
I got you.
If you don't mind, sir, can you turn the car off for me? Thank you.
What's the last five? 58450.
You said this was your car?
It's a rental. My car's getting worked on.
Rental. Okay.
Yeah. The dealership gave me a rental while my car get worked on.
Oh, they did? Okay.
Yeah.
What's your original car?
A 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee right there.
Direct channel. You live over on Refugee?
No, that's where my girl lives.
Okay, that's where the car's registered to. There you go. Yeah. Have you ever been in trouble before for anything?
Yeah, a long time ago.
What was that for?
Felonious assault.
As a juvenile?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
29.
29? Okay. And that's the only thing since then? The felony assault?
Pretty much.
Was that with a gun, a knife, or just
A
gun? So are you considered weapons on disability if you have a gun and all that stuff?
Yeah.
Like you're not allowed to have a gun anymore?
No.
Okay. And you said there's no guns on you or in the car, correct? Okay.
673.
And not in trouble since being a juvenile, right?
Basically, yeah.
Well,
Went to
what's the
prison.
basis?
Went to prison.
For that?
Been back, yeah.
How long did you do in prison for?
3 years. Got on the judicial release.
So what age did you go in at?
16, 17.
Oh, they sent you to prison at 16?
For the gun offense? Or was it felonious assault?
That's for the assault.
I got you.
Hey, John. Is your license valid?
Yes.
Yeah. Sometimes the cruisers doesn't like it.
He wants to run the dog around. Pull up the leaf when we already pulled it up. You're just writing on a ticket, a citation.
All right, so here's the plan. While they're writing that, when people don't allow us to get consent to search the vehicle, the one other avenue that we have is to call K9 out, which we did.
Y'all not being all the way honest with me, that's fine. But y'all not all the way being honest with me.
Well, I'm explaining it now.
Yeah, but
What's the problem?
Well, I'm explaining it.
I don't feel like I'm being. I feel like I'm being harassed. But if y'all
Negative.
could,
Yeah, that's fine.
I mean, but if y'all could, I'm saying, can we rush it or hurry up?
Yeah,
Whatever
yeah,
the process
so-
is or what we got to do.
Absolutely.
Because I have to use the bathroom.
So here's the plan.
That's what's telling him.
K9 wants to ride his dog around the car, which is fine. If you can take your phone and just put it on the dash so when you stand up it doesn't fall out. I just want to pat you down and make sure you don't have anything on you. If you want to take them with you, you
What am I
can.
getting out the car for?
We have to do that in order to get the K9 around. Yeah, they won't run the K9 around with an individual in the car.
That's not.
And we're
that
legally
is-
allowed to have you step out of the vehicle.
That is not true.
So
That
here we
is not
go.
true
Yeah.
because I have license and insurance and I'm a licensed
If you
driver.
want to stay in the car and you wanted to disobey our orders, then you can go to jail if that's what you want.
Which,
Why would that happen?
because
though?
we're
Because
legally
you're
allowed to take
violating
the
law.
driver
So if
or
you want to
in.
continue to violate the
What,
law,
what,
then
what
you'll go-
law am I violating?
That's
though?
what
comply.
I'm trying to tell you that
It's
now.
traffic
Comply
stop.
with what?
We are legally
Our
allowed
orders
to.
to tell you to get out of the car.
So, yeah, we are legally allowed to tell you to get out of the car. I can tell you or I can tell any passenger to get out of the car. If
But
you
why,
refuse,
though?
stop. Maryland v. Wilson, that's why. Because we're allowed to. That's the court case that's decided that. We have been allowed to do this since that court
Well,
case.
could you have like your?
So here's the plan. Set your phones on the
I'm
dash.
asking you.
You're- listen, I'm going to give you.
No,
don't pull off.
Do not pull off.
Don't move! No, sir, no, sir. Stand.
Stop resisting arrest now.
Yeah, you'll be able to breathe.
Stop resisting. I promise I'm not. Stop resisting.
All right. Stop.
Breathe.
Stop. We're letting off. We're getting off you. We have to check the front.
Asthma, man.
Check the front.
Oh, my wrist.
Yep.
You gotta stop reaching, man.
Well, you gotta stop listening.
A gun magazine fell off of your person, okay?
Off of me.
Oh.
It was off of me. I said
All right, relax.
I don't have anything to say. Check it out.
Yep.
Crazy. Do you have a hobble?
Yep, somebody's got
I got one in the lag. You got it?
We got it.
We're crazy. You ran from us, man. You gotta relax. Man. You ran from us.
You pulled me out my car for nothing. Y'all harassing me.
ran out of your car.
That's what y'all doing.
You
You're pulling me out my car. You're harassing me. That's what you're doing.
The traffic.
And don't worry about it, because I have a lawsuit.
You can take that to court.
You already told me I was going to harass.
That's no one ever told you we were going to harass you.
Y'all did. Don't worry about it.
You want? I mean, do we want this tighter or how we? Run.
There are too many silence. Go ahead and shut your mouth if you feel like it.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Somebody get you a hug.
No, we haven't even gotten close to that. Yeah. Start with that.
Okay.
Oh, no, just stand. Sometimes it's better if you sit
on your butt.
Everybody stand.
Sit on your butt.
There you go.
Ready? We're going to stand you up. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect.
Where do you want it? Back cruiser back here.
Yeah, we got cruiser. Yo.
Jerry McBride was charged with improper handling of a firearm, 2 counts of possession of contraband, and 2 counts of weapon under disability. The next incident was caused by Shannon and Jeremy. On December 20th, 2022, in Dayton, Ohio, police noticed a vehicle with stolen license plates. While trying to initiate a traffic stop, the vehicle fled at a high rate of speed. Later, the officer again located the vehicle. Upon seeing the officers, the couple tried to run on foot. Shannon was quickly apprehended. However, Jeremy was able to run away. The officers searched her and found contraband paraphernalia in her bag.
There he is. Belling.
Go drive. 79 Go drive.
Stop! Police! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! There are a whole bunch of needles in your blood.
Still needles on you?
No,
I really do not want to go to the hospital.
They're just in my foot first.
Okay. Roll over, sit up. Hold on, wait right there.
You got her. Okay.
Yeah. One is for the same stuff.
Oh yeah, drugs.
Huh?
Drugs.
I'm just going to read your rights to you real quick, okay? I'm a police officer. You're hereby advised you have certain rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to make any statements or answer any questions. Do you understand that? Obviously, you weren't driving the car, okay? Did you know the truck was stolen?
No, I didn't.
No? Okay. Now, all I ask is that you're just honest with me, okay? So far you have been. I just ask that you continue to do that, okay?
Yes.
The second you lied to me, and we're just going to stop talking, all right?
All right.
All right. You were in the passenger seat of the truck, right?
Yes.
Did you see the police officer behind you guys try to stop you?
Yes.
At Salem and Siegenthaler?
Yes.
Okay. What was said right after that?
He was running.
Jeremy said I was going to run?
Yeah.
Did you tell him to?
No.
No? How do you know Jeremy?
I met him like 3 months ago.
3 months ago? So would you say you guys are pretty good friends then?
We're associates.
Associates? Well, because he tells me that he's taking blame for the truck. He said, you know, he was driving, he fled, he knew the cops were behind you guys, but he also said that you told him that you knew you had a warrant and to flee. Is that true?
No.
It's not a big deal. I mean, if you did, you did. It's not,
I mean, he was already running. I mean,
you said just keep going, basically?
I mean, I said, you're either going to stop or just keep on going. But
did you tell him you had a warrant? Like, hey, I don't want to go to jail either, just keep going?
No, he knew I had a warrant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
He's been knowing.
What about the drugs? Did you have some drugs on you?
Yeah.
Were they in the purse?
Yeah.
Are they your drugs?
Yeah.
What kind of drugs are they?
I had heroin on me.
Just heroin?
Yeah.
In like a bag or what?
It was in like aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil? And it's heroin?
Yeah.
Okay. You might tell me where you got it?
From a drug dealer.
Was it on the east side or the west side?
West side.
The west side? Is he a pretty big drug dealer or what?
Yeah.
Yeah? Does he just deal fentanyl or does he deal other stuff?
Other stuff.
You meet him at a house or in a car or what?
In a car.
In a car?
The officers were able to locate Jeremy soon after. He was placed inside the same cruiser as Shannon. Jeremy tried to console her. Both of them were being taken to jail.
Okay, northbound. Okay, I'm on the side of the road, 75 northbound.
Neither one of you guys have anything on you, right? No more drivers.
Anyway, so there's no right because it's behind this police road.
Thank you.
You're good. You ain't. You're just rough. What's wrong, man? You're good.
I know it's the fucking sucks. I mean, I need to go anyway.
You're good now. You'll be alright.
You're alright. You ain't gotta be sorry. I am glad. Cool. We're both about to be on.
You're not being charged with nothing.
I know. Listen, I need to get all kinds of needles. I was going to take some of this shit.
Make sure they know we got to stop 655 and 75 in.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Lift up your tongue.
There's hair in my mouth.
You small.
Nothing. There's hair in my mouth, dude.
I literally sat here at that light and looked back, and you're chewing on something.
There's hair on my. I'm trying to get the goddamn hair out of my mouth.
No, you're not.
I
So stop
swear,
lying.
I'm dead
Okay? What'd she pass you that she probably had tucked somewhere that you put in your mouth and chewed it up and swallowed it?
I promise. There's hair in my mouth. Get it out of my mouth.
Please, liar.
I promise. There's just hair in my mouth, dude.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You don't chew that hard for that long for a piece of hair that you're trying to get out of your mouth. So you're rooting around her, probably digging something out that she tucked, stuffed it in your mouth, and swallowed it. So if it kills you, good job.
All right, let's go. Thanks. Let's go. Step out.
Both Shannon and Jeremy were charged with receiving stolen property, obstructing official business, failure to comply with an order, and possession of controlled substances.